Well, here's Tim after a successful day of bird hunting down here. There's Sparks dragging one off from our picture. Anyway, down by Hidden Valley there. Sun's just coming up. About 34 degrees today. It's going to get up to 60. I'm going to go bang some more roosters. There's a nice one Tim's got. Tim, show us that rooster. It's a nice mature bird. 3 dogs here from Trieven Kennels. Last year we had 7 dogs in camp. Very slow year. We're down to 30% of the historical average for harvest. But we managed to whack quite a few. Well, very low light conditions right now. It's sunset. Hopefully the birds on the old wagon here are coming out. 5 birds, the majority of them on public land. Sparks, no! Buddy and Sparks. And Gunner. We'll get a picture of the skyline once everything adjusts. Actually, a couple people coming down here that probably haven't shot anything. They're going to see our 5 birds and say, what the hell? Anyway, we're going to do our panoramic. And again, all those birds came off of these lands, and Wes's kennel, Trieven Kennel. And here comes the other car. There's all 3 of the dogs. It's a beautiful day and a beautiful place to be. I don't know if I said, but 4 of the 5 rooster are 2 to 3 year old roosters. They got nice long spurs. Well, here's Buddy, Sparks, and Gunner with what is normally a good half a day for us sometimes, but 1 rooster this morning. We still got the 5 from last afternoon, yesterday afternoon. Got 8 sharp-tails and a hun down here. Sparks! He likes to retrieve. Dogs are out of Trieven Kennels. We're hunting down here, all totally wild birds down in the Bear Paws. This is on our way home. You don't have to duck for the camera, Tim. Beautiful day. And that's about it. Again, let me try and get some detail in on these nice roosters. These roosters, too, by the way, are all 2 and 3 year old birds. You'll see the nice coloring on them, hopefully. They'll come out. Nice iridescent green. No little baby juveniles here that are half feathered. They're all nice long-tailed birds. I'm shooting my shadow, but hey. Well, way deep down here in the Bear Paws, 4 sharp-tails. Put in a couple of different coveys up. That's looking to the north and east. Mostly out of brushy coulees like over there. Dog's got to work out for an hour anyway. Now I have nothing to do because I shot my limit. Get to sightsee. Dog is tired after getting those roosters, you know. I was screwing around doing explosions, and Tim and Gunner were up here in the mountains getting the big old wise roosters here. Pick that one up on the right and let's show the spurs on that one. I don't know, they're 28-inch tails or something like that. I can't see anything because I got the... But yeah, these are all 2 and 3 year old birds. Nice sharp spurs with white points on them. Not a bad start for the morning. Did you see any sharp tails up there?
No, I did not.
Not one, huh? Unbelievable. This place has been sharp tail heaven down here for years, and I don't think we shot but maybe 8 down here. There's the Russian olive grove. Tim got those up in the mountains, however, in the big coulees. Well, here's half of the Friedman clan down here with a bunch of ducks and geese down on a Barney Olson Road down in Mitchell's Ranch.
step that way.
Back up, I'm in the shadow. It's you. Yeah, you're fatter than me. I don't hardly show up in these things. There's another batch going. Hopefully you'll see them there. Let's see where they're landing. No, they're all going out of bounds over here, but I think there's hundreds of them out in that wheat field right now. Well, hopefully the wind cancellation is going to work on this thing, but here we are again. We're coming back from Big Sandy for the end of our hunting trip. There's Mr. Buddy in my shadow, Mr. Sparks. And here's our limit of sharptails. We ended up shooting one down here about 150 yards along the fence line, and dogs worked it in about 100 yards, and we got it up. Then we had to walk all the way out to where we're speck on the freaking horizon here, which, trust me, it's a lot of up and down on this. It's not a straight line out. And then we got into birds on the way back. Put up about 3 different coveys of anywhere from 8 to 15 birds, and got our limit. We're happy. There they are. Dogs are tired. Good tune up before I start guiding.